So hello my dear friends, this is Learning with Ganesh, and today we are going to discuss the topic in English grammar, that is tenses. You know, it's a very important part in English grammar, tenses. Tenses. Tenses means we can say time. You see, whatever we talk, either that will be in the past tense or in the present tense or in the future tense. But mostly our talking will be in the present continuous tense, but mostly the topic will be the past tense. Wo hua tha, ye hua tha, isn't it? So it's very important part of English grammar is tenses. We should know what tenses are and what words, what sentence, when to talk, how to talk. In that, two things comes in the outcome, that is work, what work is going on, whether the work is already over or it is in present or will be in the future. And second is timing. Timing means kya, kab ka tha. So two factors are there, one is work, another one is time. Now these tenses are three types. Number one, present tense, मतलब अभी का समय, at present. Number two, past tense, जो बीत गया. And the third one is future tense, which is yet to come, tomorrow. So we have three tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Now today we will discuss very broadly what is present tense. Simple present tense, simply present tense we'll just discuss today, and just I request everybody to watch it very carefully and you practice it thoroughly, so that it will be helpful for you not only in the school syllabus but also in the speaking courses, also in the learning speaking course. When you will talk within English language, there also it will be helpful for you how to use these tenses. Now we will discuss today present tense. We'll discuss today present tense. So the first part of present tense is, again, each tenses is divided into four parts. They are derived into four parts. Now, since I have told you that today we are discussing only present tense, so we will talk only for present tense. Okay. Past and future tense we will see in the another video. Present tense. This present tense is again derived into four parts. Okay. And the very first part is simple present tense, and the very first part is simple present tense. Now we will just little bit dig out what actually the simple present tense is. You know, for every sentence, the important part just to know is the structure of that sentence. If we know the structure, easily we can build the sentence. Only the main part is structure. So for simple present tense, the main structure is subject plus verb plus object. See, in the previous classes I have explained you verbs. According to school syllabus, verbs are of three types. Okay, present tense, past participle. But in spoken language, verbs are derived into five parts: V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. For example, we take write. Write is V1 form. Wrote is V2 form. Written is V3 form. And writing is V4 form. Means what is the present tense? Simply add ing, that will be the V4th form. And V5th form is writes. W-R-I-T-E-S, writes. Now here either V1 or V3 or V5. V5, any one. When V1 will come, when V5 will come. If the subject is I, you, we, they, then V1 will come. Let us take one example. I write a letter. See, I is subject, write is V, verb, and a letter is object. Or we can say, she sings a song. I have already told you, if the subject is I, you, we, they. Okay, so simply V1 will come, right. If the subject is he, she, it, or any noun, name, anybody's name or relation, for example, my mother, cooks food. My mother cooks food. So like this relation, so cooks food. Now if in subject I, you, we, they are there, simply the verb will be the first form, okay, present tense. And if the subject is either he or she or it, yeah, Ram, Mohan, Sham, Ghansham, my mother, my father, whatever it is, V5 will come. So write will be writes. My father writes a letter, isn't it? He writes a letter. She sings a song. If suppose in place of she, you is there, you sing a song, not S, only sing, S-I-N-G, sing. You sing a song. They sing. Simply, they, I'm just rubbing this. They watch television. TV, I'm just writing in shortcut, but we have to write as a television. They watch television. So we play football. We play football. So this type of sentences are where simply subject, verb, object is there. So this type of sentences we can say it's a simple present tense. Sometimes it is also known as indefinite tense. Okay. Now, I write a letter. My mother cooks a food. We play. Instead of we, if suppose Ramesh is there, Ramesh plays football. Okay. So he, she, it. For example, it. A cow gives us milk. It gives us milk. Also we can say. Now this is what a structure. Say for every sentence there is a structure. If you know the structure properly, it will be easy for you to build a sentence. Okay. Now this is first in all, that is simple present tense. Now we will just go for second part of this present tense. What is the second part of the present tense? Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. What is continuous? Continuous means at present the work is going on. At present the work is going on. Now here we will see structure. I have told you structure is important. If we know the structure, if we are well acquainted with the structure, automatically the sentence will be easy. What will be the structure of present continuous tense? First is subject. Okay, the first one is subject. Second one, either am, or is, or are. Any one. Am is used only when the subject is I am. He is used if it is singular. Ram is, my mother is, he is. Okay. But are we will use only when the subject is in plural. Boys are, children are, they are, we are, plus whatever the verb is, you have to add ing to the verb and plus object. So this is the sentence structure for present continuous tense. Subject either am or is or are, any one. Okay, so this you have to choose according to the subject, plus whatever be the verb, whatever be the work, add ing. If it is write, writing. If we talk, talking. If sing, singing. Object, what? Singing a song, writing a letter, doing a work, cooking food, whatever it is, maybe one. Now simple, if I write I am writing a letter. Okay? She is singing a song. Okay. Am is are. They are playing cricket. Okay. So when to use am? If it is I. When to use is if it is singular. Ram is, Mohan is, Sham is, my friend is, okay, my father is. But if it is plural, we, you also comes under plural. You are, okay, we are, they are, children are. So if it is plural, अगर एक से ज़्यादा है तो use are. So this is the sentence structure of present continuous tense. So present continuous का broad meaning होता है at present what is the situation of the work? The work is going on. चल रहा है, पढ़ रहा हूँ, खेल रहा हूँ, लिख रहा हूँ. Okay, so रहा हूँ, playing, singing. So these are the simple present continuous tense. Now we will go for third part, that is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. What is perfect tense? Means we have started the work, and what is the situation at present? At present just completed, just completed. At present means work को complete किया, just completed the work. That is perfect tense. Okay, so before, how to say perfect? So there is a simple trick. If the sentence has or have, see the sentence structure of perfect tense. Subject plus has, नहीं तो have, and here you see always verb का third, past participle, right है तो written. Okay, इसी तरह का रहेगा, plus object. Plus object. So this is for perfect tense, present perfect tense. Has is used only when the subject is in singular, and have we have to use only when the subject is plural. But only one exemption is there. If I is there, I have, not I has. Okay, I have written a letter. Written a letter. She singular, has लगेगा, has. Sing a song का क्या होगा? Sing का past tense, past participle क्या होगा? Sing, sang, sung, S-U-N-G. She has sung a song, and just now she has completed this song. She has sung. Has the word, it's a perfect indication for perfect tense. Okay, has and have are present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Okay, so has will come when the subject is singular. Have will come when the subject is plural. For example, we have played the match. Just, always, play का played होगा. Okay, so here always the verb will be past participle. Okay, so this type of sentences are called present perfect tense. Now the last and important part of the present tense is just. second वाला क्या था? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. थर्ड वाला क्या था? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. दोनों को मिला देते हैं. दोनों को मिला करके इफ वी जॉइन बोथ, सो वी विल हैव प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यानी कोई वर्क है. Some work I have already completed, but the remaining part at present I am continuing. Okay, some part of the work I have already completed, that is perfect, and still some part I am just continuing. So continuing. So perfect continuous tense. Simple present perfect continuous tense. Let us see the structure. Subject, again has or have, anyone, it's depend on the subject. Here one word is added, that is be, and again we में एक और add होता ing plus object. So this is the sentence structure of present perfect continuous tense. See, perfect tense में have and has तो होता था, but instead of this V3 लगता था. But here one word is added been and verb is added with ing because it is a continuous tense. It is a continuous tense. So this is a structure of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Perfect has and have है तो perfect. Continuous because writing, playing, singing, watching, ing है, so it's a continuous. So both mix. So this is somewhat it's a confusion one, so we will just read out in some elaborate manner. Okay, so okay, we will take one example. He has, why has? Because singular. Been, simple. Any work, okay, working, singing, whatever it is. He has been working. Not object, we can say since or for. I will tell you, it's a very important factor. Most of the children get confused when to use since and when to use for. So I will make it clear that doubt. Okay, so he has been working for 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. It's a duration of time. It's a duration of time. He has been working for 2 hours. Okay, means इसका meaning है the work is so long that some part of the work is already completed, so that's why has, and still remaining part is continuing, so that is why working. But how far? For 2 hours, 2 घंटे से, है ना? Not here say. Now we will just read in more elaborate manner. Now let us take some more examples. Okay, I will just it is for, I will use since. Okay, I have told you, have been waiting since morning. Okay, subject is I, since it is I, so we have used have. Been is already there, so ing, waiting, but when to use since and when to use for, that I will just give you clear. Since एक ट्रिक समझ लिए, since starts with s. since s से start भी होता है और since भी होता है. ओके, तो जब भी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट आएगा since, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट कब से? मॉर्निंग से. एंड फॉर होता है के लिए. मैं 2 घंटे से आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूं, 2 घंटे से आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूं, है ना. अरे मैं सॉरी 2 घंटे के लिए. यहां पर होता है सिंस, मॉर्निंग से. ये के लिए ये होगा सिंस. जैसे दिस हाउस इज फॉर सेल, बिकने के लिए है, इजंट इट, के लिए. एंड सिंस होता है से, सुबह से. अगर यहाँ स्पेसिफिक टाइम मेंशन करते हैं 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, मंडे, संडे, जनवरी, फरवरी, तब सिंस. हम एक ड्यूरेशन, हम 2 साल से, पिछले 10 साल से यहाँ है, पिछले 10 साल से यहाँ है. सो फॉर 10 years. मैं 1990 से यहाँ पे हूँ, तो सिंस 1990. इज इट क्लियर? ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम 4 घंटे से, 5 घंटे से, 10 घंटे से, है ना. तो फॉर सुबह से, शाम से, संडे से, 1990 से, 2 बजे से, 4 बजे से, इजंट इट. तो यहाँ पर ये होगा मैं सुबह से इंतज़ार कर रहा, और के लिए, ये घर बिकने के लिए है. के एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जैसे आई, नहीं या राम हैज़ बीन रीडिंग, व्हाट यू कॉल, स्लीपिंग. अच्छा वर्क है. हम 8 PM क्या आएगा? ओके. राम हैज़ बीन स्लीपिंग dash 3 hours. Now tell me what will come, where since will come, where for will come. Ram has been sleeping dash 8 PM. 8 बजे से, कब से? वहाँ स्टार्टिंग टाइम दिया है. I told you as for since, as for start, स्टार्टिंग टाइम दिया 8 बजे से. राम हैज़ बीन स्लीपिंग 3 घंटा. कब से पता नहीं, कब से स्टार्ट किया वी डोंट नो, बट पिछले 3 घंटे से सो ही रहा है. तो हियर, सो इट्स वेरी क्लियर, सिंस स्टार्टिंग टाइम इज गिवन, सो हियर सिंस विल कम, एंड हियर ड्यूरेशन दिया है, सो फॉर विल कम, फॉर 3 hours. सो दिस इज व्हाट आवर कंप्लीट, नॉट कंप्लीट टेंस, उस टेंस का प्रेजेंट टेंस. सो यू जस्ट revise it, practice it thoroughly, and try to create your own examples. What will be the sentence for? एक ही सेंटेंस लीजिए, आई राइट ए लेटर, उसको आप प्रेजेंट टेंस में आई राइट ए लेटर है तो उसको कंटिन्यूस टेंस में बनाओ. मेक इट इन परफेक्ट टेंस, मेक इट इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. You write any other example, my mother cooks food. You write, you convert it into what you called present perfect tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and whatever tense, all the tenses I have explained you regarding present tense. You just make your own examples, make your own sentences, and try to do in all the 4 forms. Okay, so in the next video we will see another tense. So present tense. Now either we go either past tense or future tense. Till then, bye.